Hello audience, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to manage vehicle washing with membership plan including one or multiple vehicle. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here this module Day Vehicle Washing. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installed. First go to settings, go to users, and here allow this all option. For display vehicle management with manager, technician, supervisor, etc. So now display here this vehicle washing with different menus. But first I want to get membership plan. And display here this panel membership. Available all membership plan display here. First is the basic wash plan for 1 month and one vehicle covered. Next is a standard wash plan for 1 month, 2 vehicle covered and 7 days free trial. And most popular plan is the premium wash plan for 1 month, 2 vehicle covered and 14 days free trial. It's most popular plan. And last one is the unlimited plan for 1 month, unlimited washes up to 4 vehicle and 14 days free trial. First I want to get basic wash plan for 1 vehicle. So now get start. Fill here this all details. Right here in the vehicle name, license plate, brand is a Maruti Suzuki, model is Suzuki, vehicle color black, and you can easily select here is like a compact, sedan, SUV, truck, van. Here I know this van, and your selected plan for the basic wash plan 1 month, and I agree to these terms and service with cancellation policy. You can join now. So display here this basic wash membership, 1 vehicle, and you can easily pay this daily. So you created reference number is 43. Now log in it. Go to your vehicle washing guide and go to this membership. And all created membership display here with reference number. Subscriber is a John Doe. Plan for the basic wash plan only for 1 month and start date. And wash limit display here only 4 times. And in below display here vehicle details, license plate with model name. Now go to sell order and display here your created set order with basic wash membership, quantity 1 and unit price. Now you can easily create invoice and you confirm this. So here you can only get basic membership plan for 1 vehicle 1 month. Next we will see how to confirm your booking for the vehicle washing. We will see in the next video.